how to use Power Automate with Microsoft Teams. So these are the connectors we have in Microsoft Teams. So I have bifurcated here on how to use these connectors in what scenarios, just like an overview. So if you're working on a team provisioning process, which we'll see in the demo today, so you'll know more about it. So you can use connectors like create a team or a channel, add member to a team. Then if you want to interact with the users or team channels or want to get input from the users using Power Automate, then you can use these actions, which is like post a message to the user or a channel on a team, post a reply to a message to a user or channel on the team, post an adaptive card to your user on channel. And if you're doing like conference or a meeting solution kind of a thing, then you can also create team meetings in your Microsoft Flow. So if you want to do some automations where meeting gets automatically scheduled based on some data, you can use this connector.